here I'm just going to do a little bit on some loop processing. There's a couple of sort of standard things that I do. Here I've got a little drum loop. First off, I'd probably just stick a compressor on to see what it's going to sound like when it's pushed a little bit harder. So I can hear that the snare's been brought out quite nicely there. Then things like reverbs, but not as an ambience. I would actually completely replace the sound. So I turn it up wet, and then actually just get the sound to become like a reflection, literally, of what it was before. So here we can sort of hear now. Okay, rather than that, we've just got this sort of sheet of sound. Right, and then I might do things like sort of distort or use distortions and overdrives and things like that to actually change the way the sound works yet again, and just try a little bit. Let me just find one. Overdrive. Right. See there, I've just changed the order of the effects. I've put the overdrive first, going into the reverb, just to see what that sounds like. So that's pretty cool. Then, just going a little bit further than that, I'm going to use an external effect here for some gating. Right, and then another type of gate over the top. There's a bit of echo on there as well, but just taking that off. And that working with another normal beat, you know, might happen. I might then again set another compressor up at the end, side chaining one against the other. So let's go and just grab another RMX instance just for a quick loop. Instruments. Once this fires up, let's go and find a normalish sounding loop. Let's go breakbeats. Okay, so I'll just take that, chuck that in there, set that off. So I'm going to side chain this one just so it's fitting in the gaps. So set the side chain. And I just play around until I can find something that would work, and just fill in the gaps. I tend not to use raw loops. They tend to get heavily processed and mucked around with. if they are audio based, then obviously you can go in and edit in more detail and just pull out parts that you want, or delete certain sounds out of the loop you don't want as well. But here I'm just editing the pure loop. When creating quick tracks, like I'd use RMX to create a few layers just to get things moving and get things creative, and then either replace them later on or just keep on processing them until I end up with something quite unique.